Hello, today we are going to solve one question from WBCS Mains General Studies paper 3. So let's see what is in this question. The dynasty which Harshavardhana belonged to was Varmans, Mokharish, Pushyamitras or Pushyabhotish. So here we just not only give you the right answer but also try to describe a little bit about it. So let's get into it. Harsha 592 647 Common Era, also known as Harshavardhana, was an Indian emperor who ruled North India from 606 to 647 CE. From 606 to 647 CE, he was a member of a Pushyabhuti's dynasty, member of Pushyabhuti's dynasty, and was the son of Prabhakar Vardhana and was a son of Prabhakar Vardhana, who defeated the Alcon Huna invaders. Defeated the Alcon Huna invaders and the younger brother of Rajyavardhana. And the younger brother of Rajyavardhana, which is known as Haryana present day. Okay, so therefore option 4 is the right answer. So we have successfully answered this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.